gonna go? Are you 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 gonna? No, you're not gonna go. I'm gonna go there. That's fine. If you just sit there picking your asshole, that's absolutely fine with me. What's he peeping for? This is traffic jam, my friend. We stuck. I can't go nowhere. There's cars in front of me, you clown.
Look at him flapping about, boy.
What?
He's just staring at his phone anyway.
Alright, that's okay. Leave him to it. I wonder what's going on now. What is the blockage?
Well, there's cars on this side and on the left, yeah, parked.
No, there's not. Don't be silly. Where?
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 That's the one there.
No, don't be silly.
And they can't get past.
Just...
That's what's happened.
Should we beep?
No.
Showing off now, aren't you?
Well, he's doing it, so I thought that would be the right thing to do. I'm just going with what everyone else is doing. And that is how you roundabout in an Audi. You indicate left, you sit in the middle of the f***ing thing, and then you go right, basically. That's how you do it in your Audi. Hello. Wakey wakey, the green light. Hey, there we go. Oh, people of Bristol are funny. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, special! Yeah, he's parked in a keep clear space. He's special. There, oh dear, not that loud. Jesus Christ. Oh, that one almost slipped past me, that did. Can you say, good luck, getting past that in your wheelchair? That's right. Yeah, thank you. You gonna go? Are 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 you gonna? No, you're not gonna go. I'm gonna go there. That's fine. If you just sit there picking your asshole, that's absolutely fine with me. Wow. Once again, that's the reason I don't ever let people go, because they just sit there with their finger up their ass, wondering what they're gonna have for breakfast next week. I mean, don't get me wrong, there is a time and place to contemplate your morning snack, but sat in the middle of the road is not a time and place to do that, to be honest. Let's just be fair. That's not the right place to do it. Oh dear, my friend, you seem to have stopped on a crossing. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right in the middle of the road as well, not in like any specific lane, just smack bang in the middle of the road. I wonder what I'm having for breakfast today. Shall I have pizza? Shall I have cornflakes? Shall I have waffles? Look, it's just sat there still. Cocoa Pops, cornflakes, deep fried rat drop-ins. Hello, Wakey Wakey, you gonna go or not? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I let him go, and then he just rams himself out in front of me and forces me to slow down. Huh? What are you beeping for? What are you beeping for? What does beep 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 mean? I got my seatbelt on, shut up. Oh.
Curb there, babe.
Yep, I see that. I meant to do that.
No, you didn't.
Oh, hello. Hello. Big ol'... Oh. Big ol' American ting. I'm not very good at American accents. I hear ambulance. I can't see ambulance. Where's it to? Oh, there it is. Audi just pushes through. You f***ing idiot. You absolute knobhead. You knobhead of a Audi driver. Wow. Wow. And that, boys and girls, ladies and gentle ladies, that's how Bristolians react to emergency vehicles. Well, react is the wrong word, isn't it? They congest, if anything. Do you see what I mean? Yeah. You get these fucking idiots. You stop opposite each other and make it difficult for fire engines to get through. And you're just like, why can't people just think?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Oh no.
Head.
Oh, you may shout special if you want, baby girl.
Special!
That man parking bus stop and bus can't get in his bus stop now. That's like a whole different level of special. That is. You got special people, and then you got whatever that is. These heads, and there's another one there blocking the path.
Special! All for the night until Santa comes.
Santa's not coming.
No, I mean tomorrow.
Santa's not coming till Christmas.
No,
Oh wow, we got look at that. We got a cyclist with no lights and black clothes on. And we got another woman running across the road. Wow. Say wow.
Wow!
See, they special. They are. They very intelligent people. They are to go out at night with no lights and no bright clothes on. They just wearing black clothes and a black sky and stuff. They really special. They are. They're proper intelligent. They.
But aren't they good?
No, they're not. They're idiots. This is a one-way system. How did you get your van in that position, you naughty boy? I like how they put the signs the wrong way to tell people road working. It's a one-way system, you bunch of incompetents. I'm dying. Wow! And the red light as well. What a fucking legend. I mean, what a prick. Oh, ouch. That must have hurt. What do you reckon he was doing?
What was it, a BMW?
I think he was trying to top up his indicator fluid. Are you not going to laugh?
What?
Are you not going to laugh?
Laugh at what?
He was trying to top up his indicator fluid, Alexi, on his BMW.
It's not, it's light.
It was indicator fluid.
No.
Shut up. You idiot.
What? I don't get it. What are you on about?
Just shut up.
No, it's light bulbs.
No, indicators, he was topping up his indicator fluid.
So you mean changing a light bulb?
No, his indicator fluid.
There ain't no indicator fluid.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
There is no indicator fluid, it's a light bulb.
Just shut up.
Next to Daniel.
Hey, that car should be on the road. Why was the car on the path?
Was he way on the path with both?
He was driving on the path, baby girl. Nutter. Oh no, get right in, it's a Vauxhall Julia. Oh my god, I'm sandwiched by two of them. There's one in front as well. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now what's it doing? It's just going to stop there. Okay. It's going to block the road up even more. Super! Oh, that was a curve there. Oh.
I want a drink.
I'll get a drink in a minute then.
Maybe but I want lemonade.
We'll see if Nanny got any.
Maybe we should go to Nanny and Paps.
No, I don't think they're in. They'll probably be asleep if they're in. Yeah, they're going to be asleep. But you can shout special there if you want.
Special.
Thank you. Can you say idiot?
Idiot.
Can you say, we're going to have to think of a word that isn't unfamily friendly, that babies are allowed to say. We've got special, we've got idiot. Can you say Audi?
Audi.
Thank you. That's a good one, isn't it? Yeah.
Audi.
I learned that from the comments I did.